Speak English with kids. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Let's play outside. Let's play outside. Share with your friend. Share with your friend. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. It's snack time. It's snack time. Come here. Come here. Don't shout. Don't shout. Cover your sneeze. Cover your sneeze. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Clean up your toys. Clean up your toys. Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. Hold my hands. Hold my hands. Don't pull sister's hair. Don't pull sister's hair. Take a bite. Take a bite. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Take your medicine. Take your medicine. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Don't move. Don't move. Finish it. Finish it. Come down slowly. Come down slowly. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's walk together. Let's walk together. Wake up early. Wake up early. Clean up the garden. Clean up the garden. Use your spoon and fork. Use your spoon and fork. I disagree. I disagree. No problem. It's okay. It's impossible. It's impossible. Don't yell. Don't yell. That's amazing. That's amazing. What happened? What happened? Take a nap. Take a nap. Take care yourself. Take care yourself. Good idea. Good idea. Look around. Look around. Take a bath. Take a bath. Can't say. Can't say. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. Your turn. Your turn. Finish your food. Finish your food. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. Stop crying. Stop crying. What nonsense. What nonsense. Don't insist. Don't insist. Don't talk with your mouth full. Time for school. Time for school. Surf the internet. Surf the internet. It's nothing. It's nothing. Don't run inside. Don't run inside. How foolish. How foolish. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I am very fine. I am very fine. Time for bed. Time for bed. Move the furniture. Move the furniture. Pluck the flower. Pluck the flower. That's all. That's all. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Think again. Think again. Believe me. Believe me. Who knows? Who knows? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. Forget my keys. Forget my keys. Don't scribble on the walls. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. Get out from here. Get out from here. Hurry up. Go quickly. Don't touch the iron. Don't touch the iron. Don't spill your juice. Don't spill your juice. Hold your pencil correctly. Sit here, please. Sit here, please. Pay attention, everybody. Don't step in the puddle. Don't step in the puddle. Stay in line. Stay in line. Just coming. Just coming. How much? How much? How many? How many? Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Change the pillow cover. Don't chew with your mouth open. Trust me. Trust me. Say good night. Say good night. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Take a sip. Take a sip. Time's up. Time's up. I fulfill my promise. I fulfill my promise. Clean it. Clean it. Called you. Called you. Complete your homework. Complete your homework. Don't wink. Don't wink. Feel sick. Feel sick. Who's next? Who's next? Look both ways. Look both ways. Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. Don't hit. Don't hit. Put on shoes. Put on shoes. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. Have patience. Have patience. Check my answer, please. Write it now. Write it now. Sounds good. Sounds good. Look perfect. Look perfect. What's your name? What's your name? Don't be upset. Don't be upset. I need help. I need help. Answer him. Answer him. Keep your clothes in cupboard. Keep your clothes in cupboard. It's about you. It's about you. They arrive. They arrive. Clean your face. Clean your face. Be ready for school. Be ready for school. Oh, I can't remember. Take some rest. Take some rest. Clean your room. Clean your room. I am drowning. I am drowning. Let's go home. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.